What's up everybody, welcome to Bonsai Den Haag. Today the last repot of the season. I will show you how I repot this tree. So before I do that, let me show you a quick preview of my garden. So this over here is a Phaginea that I did the repot. And this tree is already putting on some growth, so it's recovering well. As you can see, my garden is getting into shape. This tree is also repotted into this nice pot, cascade style. I have two new Sabinas that are repotted. This one I did a video where did I style this tree, and now you can see that it's already putting on some growth. And here you can see a quick preview of the garden, how it's gonna take shape. I'm gonna put all these benches here. I made this is another Phaginea. It's recovering well. Very cool tree. And this one I put it in the John Pitt pot. Very nice pot. Also this Larix that I did the styling this winter, I repotted as well, and you can see every branch from the styling is doing very well, so that's nice to see. So once the garden is finished, I will give you an update of the whole garden, how it has been made, and also how I made the tables. I will make a separate video of that, so I will keep you posted, so don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get into the repot. So now we're back here. Today I'm gonna do this tree. This tree I did the styling 2 years ago, and now you can see that we have a lot of elongating growth and a lot of foliage. So now is the time that I can do the repot. So this tree, since the styling is in this position, so the most of the roots are growing down, so this is important that you let the tree grow like this when you do the styling before repotting. I often recommend that it's better to repot first, Yamadori, before doing the styling, but sometimes you just want to work on a tree, so it is important that you have enough foliage growth again to do the repot. So that's what we're gonna do today. So before you start working on the tree and the repot, make sure you prepare the pot. So I'm gonna be putting this tree in this pot, so I will prepare the pot before I start working on the tree. This way you can do the repot real quick. So now that we took the tree out and prepared the pot, it's important to keep in mind the position of the tree. I'm gonna start from above, because the tree will sit in the pot like this, so that we try to keep as many roots as possible. Take our root scissors and so now that we removed a little bit of the roots, and this tree will be sitting a little like this on the side. Let me see if I'll get the pot to see if it will fit. So the tree will be sitting more or less like this. So the rest of the roots can stay untouched, and we can fixate the tree. So for the soil, I will be using almost only pumice. So I will start with a layer of pumice downstairs and akadama. So I put a layer of pumice in the pot, and now put the tree. Now I will try to stabilize the tree. So now that the tree is fixated, we can continue filling the pot with soil, and then we're gonna finalize. Before we completely fixate this part, we need to be able to see if we need to be a little bit more flexible in the position, but I think now should be enough, and then we can fill the pot so that the tree doesn't move when we apply force on the wire of fixating. And it's a little bit weird that the part of the trees will be sticking out like this, but this is necessary so that the tree recovers. And this is not the final pot of the tree, but the first pot after being collected. And I need to protect this part that's a little bit exposed. I will use some mesh and akadama and some sphagnum moss to cover this part. And then it's important to water it thoroughly until everything comes out, and then you have the final result of your repot. Give you a close up. So that's it for today. Another successful repot. Enjoy the season. It's nice spring. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you next time in Bonsai Den Haag.